Sticking Velcro to metal, using super glue and sticker. Sticking Velcro sticker on aluminum and steel. Finding a glue that sticks Velcro stickers to metals is problematic. Absolutely nothing sticks metals to genuine Velcro. In the following tutorial is an illustration of how to stick Velcro to two different metals, aluminum and steel, using super glue and ordinary PVC self-adhesive vinyl sticker. The video displaying is in the bird's eye view, that is looking from the top of the objects. These are the items required for the demonstration: a working board, an aluminum surface, a steel surface, two PVC stickers, cut to fit the surfaces of the aluminum and steel, Velcro stickers, the hook, and the loop, a super glue, a piece of rag, an amount of thinner. To start with, we shall apply super glue to the PVC surface of the sticker, cut to fit the aluminum surface as shown. We shall place the side of the sticker with the PVC on the aluminum surface, which has already been made rough, with the paper back facing us as shown. We shall apply super glue to the PVC surface of the sticker, cut to fit the steel surface as shown. We shall place the side of the sticker with the PVC on the steel surface, which has already been made rough, with the paper back facing us as shown. We shall wait some few minutes for the super glue to dry up. We shall remove the paper back of the stickers placed both on the aluminum and steel surfaces. We shall clean the adhesive on the PVC part of the stickers, on both the aluminum and steel surfaces, using the rag and the thinner. We shall apply super glue to the sticker on the aluminum surface. We shall place the Velcro corresponding to the aluminum surface on the super glue, and press on it to stick firmly. We shall now apply super glue to the steel surface and repeat the process as in the aluminum surface. We shall now allow the super glue to dry. We shall now test after drying for 1 hour. The Velcro is firmly fitted to the metal. We shall now examine how the super glue with PVC self-adhesive sticker sticks to a Velcro sticker after drying overnight. These are two PVC self-adhesive tapes placed with the PVC parts facing upwards. And this is a Velcro sticker. We shall apply super glue to one of the surfaces of the PVC self-adhesive sticker. We shall place firmly the hooked part of the Velcro tape onto the surface. We shall apply super glue to the second surface of the PVC self-adhesive sticker. We shall place firmly the looped part of the Velcro tape onto the surface. We shall leave the items to dry overnight. We shall remove the paper back of the PVC self-adhesive sticker from the loop part of the Velcro, and place it with the Velcro part down, and the PVC adhesive sticker facing us. We shall attempt to remove the PVC self-adhesive sticker from the Velcro. As can be seen, it is not easy removing the PVC self-adhesive from the Velcro. We shall now try with a sharp edge. As can be seen, this is also not easy. The surface of the PVC self-adhesive sticker can therefore be a base to apply other glue, to stick the Velcro to other materials. We shall however remove the paper back of the PVC self-adhesive sticker from the hook part of the Velcro, and stick the Velcro to a metal, using super glue as will be illustrated. We shall clean the adhesive from the PVC sticker, using thinner and the rag. We shall apply super glue on the already rough surface of a metal to fix the Velcro. We shall firmly fix the Velcro on the metal and leave to dry. Thanks for watching this video.